Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of Inspector Gadget. This is an old cartoon, but which I remember fondly. Very corny, very silly, but entertaining to watch. So we'll put down an oval right there. We'll put down shoulders because he always has this heavy trench coat. He's an inspector, but a distinguished inspector. So he has this trench coat, and I'm putting the details down first just to get that out of the way. He has these button down pieces here and trench coat going down like that. I'm going to put one arm out for dramatic effect. There's those heavy buttons, and I'm going to put in this line here. He has this inspector's cap on top, and there's a reason why he's called Inspector Gadget, because he has all these corny gadgets about him. So I'm going to use a marker from this point on, but you can continue to do this with a pencil. I would recommend that as standard practice for anybody who's picking up on something new. Nose. He's a very basic cartoon design again. Chin. That long face, ears, smile, and then he has this hair sticking out from under his cap. I believe it has tones of black and blue. But he has the button down collar, the necktie, the series itself was actually not conclusive. I never got to find out what the identity of the main villain was, but regardless of that, very entertaining to watch. Silly, corny, old school, but very entertaining at the same time. So when you have that down, we're going to put in that gadget arm, gloved hand. Should have done a thumbs up, but that's fine. I'm just going to go like this. I saw an image on Google just like that. So he has that mechanical arm with the two tones in it. Tones as in you use some cross hatch to show a metallic feel to it. So a vertical or a horizontal crosshatch depending on how the arm is moving, in what direction. Some highlights here and there. And then on the top, I'm going to show a poplet at the back later, but he has all these gadget hands that come out. So there we have it. One hand, and I'm going to get that thumbs up after all. 2, 3. So these are also metallic. Let's give them, and there's the pop lid of the hat in the background. And there we have it. Quick sketch of Inspector Gadget. Do check it out for some corny old-fashioned fun. And oh, I forgot that he has these eye bulges right under the eyes. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.